Alright, let's go and change the drive out. Shut down. Actually, I will not be changing the drive, I will be adding this one, clone, the Toshiba files to this drive, and then wipe the Toshiba drive. Okay. Is that it? Super tiny. Let's keep it here. This is HP instruction how to do this. Turn off the computer, of course. It's done. Loosen 9 torque screws. That's one. Oh, this one is longer. Starting the display hinges, use a plastic non-conductive tool to release the bottom cover and then remove the bottom cover from the computer. So this is a plastic non-conductive prying tool. Okay, there we go. This side is done. Let's try now the bottom one. Bottom one goes well. Okay. This one is loosened maybe. Here we didn't release something. Alright, it's done. Almost done. Ooh, done. Good. This is how does it look like inside. As you can see, there are some magnets. Maybe that was the problem, the magnet here. Okay, here's my second M.2. So as you can see, here's the battery, 2 fans for CPU and GPU. There is the M.2 drive one, there's the second slot for M.2. Here's our USB ports. And here's the power button. Here's the SIM card tray here. HDMI, Thunderbolts, USB-C, power connector, SD card. Bottom speakers are here. Here. You know, this looks like antenna cables. Why aren't they connected anywhere? Don't know. Maybe, I know. Alright, so these are the antenna cables for the SIM module that should be here, but this configuration doesn't have that. And the SIM card slot is there. So the SIM card slot is here. The SIM card is the VLAN module is not there. For the drive, they want us to disconnect the battery as well. Actually, remove the battery. But why should I remove the battery? I just can put this drive here. Right. So, nice thing about this that you can actually change the drive. It's not soldered. You can change at the wireless modules. You can add a wireless module here for 4G connection, and you can even swap the RAM, so the memory is not soldered in. That's great. Actually, it's all user replaceable. The battery is user replaceable, as you can see. Alright, so they say to disconnect it. Disconnect the battery from the board. So let's disconnect it from the board. Okay, so the battery is disconnected. I won't be removing it because no need to do that. Let's put the drive. So it says how to replace the drive. It doesn't show you the other one. Okay, that's fine. Let's get the drive and check what we got inside here, because I was hoping that either Samsung or HP will give me that one screw. But no screw, no screw. No screw. So it should be on hanger, and that's it. Here's the Samsung drive. Now we need just this one Phillips screw here. One Phillips screw. I would borrow it from Toshiba, but no. Alright, so I actually borrowed one from my old PC, my old Dell computer, laptop. And that's not the one I need. Great. Finally got it. So the drive is in place. Bang. Let's connect the battery. That's right. That's right, here we go. Bam! That wasn't easy, so we just need to flip that book editor connector, so it will go back in just like that. Okay, let's check if we can boot this machine. Yes, we can boot this machine. Let's do this then. Let's close the patient. Let's close the patient. Starting from the bottom to the hinges here. And you ask me, where did I get those screws? that's it. I'd say it's pretty easy to do. Alright, the nice thing about this laptop is it actually don't get any fingerprints. They are not visible on this surface. Let's power it up. It's asking for BIOS password. Make a nice cut here. F10. So let's see if it's seeing those drives. Hard drive utilities, I'm not sure. Diagnostics, information, hard drive. There we go. So as you can see, HDD1, Samsung SSD 970 Pro, and here is the Toshiba. It is the same capacity. Let's boot from the Toshiba and copy files to Samsung Drive. Bam! That's done. Make it online. Boom! Okay, let's try booting this computer from this drive. Let's first check. Normal boot. Okay, so it's booted from the Toshiba drive.